I promise to return to you with a feedback. Here is what I'm dealing with right now. And this is the news from TikTok and Instagram lawyers, some of whom are located in the state of Utah. Here is the claim that they've made before the courts. They say I was barred from the LDS Church in the state of Utah because, as they say, I had mental issues for which I was refusing to take medication. I never had any mental issue that needed medication. I hope you're having a great day. Make the best of your time because it's gonna go really fast.